Acute Care Needleless Connector Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global acute care needleless connector market size is $719.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 8.8% from 2024 to 2031. North America acute care needleless connector market size of $287.8 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe acute care needleless connector market size of $215.85 million. Asia Pacific acute care needleless connector market size of $165.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America acute care needleless connector market size of $35.98 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.2% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa acute care needleless connector market size of $14.39 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.5% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.